Hi, Cece.
Hi BB, what's up? How have you been?
I'm good. तुम कैसी हो?
मैं भी बस I am also good. Just a quick recap or update for I think it's a recap or an update, but yes, a quick update for everybody who's tuning in. BB and I connect like every few days and we talk about stuff that's happening in our lives, general stuff, what have we seen, what are we doing, what are we reading, etc., etc. So yes, I have been BB. What have I believe there's been lots happening at your end. You are on the go right now.
Yes, I'm traveling, so I haven't actually read or
Yeah.
watched anything because time ही नहीं मिल पा रहा है.
Huh.
And thankfully, my office has been very, very kind. And I had to travel for some like family reasons, but they gave me a work from home option. So I have
Oh.
been spending time with family while working from home. तो वो काफी अच्छा हो गया है. But it's also exhausting, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
बिकॉज
Yeah.
आप मतलब 8-9 घंटे आप काम कर रहे हो मिनिमम. उसके
Right.
बाद जो भी जैसे मैं आई हूँ तो कुछ काम से आई हूँ तो आप फिर उसमें भी
Right.
टाइम निकाल रहे हो तो वो कर रहे हो. बट
Right.
ऑल सेड एंड डन आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. मैं डेफिनेटली
Yeah.
जब वापस चली जाऊंगी ऑफिस इन पर्सन उनको एक ईमेल डालूंगी. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, अप्रिशिएट इट, रियली रियली डू. That doesn't
Eh,
take away from the complaints I have from work,
of
but
course.
but
Of course.
this is a big,
Huh.
big, big plus, and I do appreciate it, yeah. Because I think flexibility is great, yeah. It's
Yeah. I
important.
agree.
हाँ, और मैं
I
ज्यादा
agree.
ही काम कर रही हूँ ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को. क्योंकि मैं
यार.
उठती हूँ तो मतलब मम्मी बोल देती है, अरे तुम्हें काम नहीं है. ऐसे भाई
हाँ.
पानी पीने उठ रही हूँ, 1 मिनट दे दो. ऐसे ऐसे टाइप का
Yes.
तो इट्स प्रीटी गुड.
But I agree with what you said that हम complain बहुत करते हैं but लेकिन जो अच्छी चीजें हैं that also we should talk about
या
or you should appreciate that yes this is something that the office is doing for us.
या
And I to always say yaar ki every workplace will have its pros and cons. Like I don't think there is any workplace you will find where you will get like 100 out like will match 100 out of 100 criterias for you.
या
So it's always a give and take, and you always, you have to see what is like, कि किसका परला भारी है बैलेंस शीट में
कितना
what is
हाँ
working.
करेक्ट
Yeah,
बिल्कुल सही.
yeah, yeah,
तो आई
yeah,
कॉल इट
yeah.
ऑटो फेल. कुछ
Ah,
चीजें होती है डील ब्रेकर्स. कुछ चीजें
right.
होती हैं डील ब्रेकर्स. वो
Yes.
अगर हो जाए तो आप छोड़ दो ऑफिस.
हाँ,
पर
office.
कुछ
Yes.
चीजें जो एवरीथिंग एल्स यू कैन मैनेज बिकॉज यू लाइक यू
Yes.
सेड परफेक्ट तो आपको कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा.
नहीं
यू नो
मिलेगा.
सीरियस
हाँ.
थिंग्स आर ऑब्वियसली डील ब्रेकर्स.
Yeah.
लाइक इफ बुलिंग ये वो ऐसी सीरियस
Yeah.
सीरियस स्टफ दैट इज ऑब्वियसली
Yeah.
दैट इज लीगली आल्सो डील ब्रेकर, राइट.
Deal
तो वो तो
breaker.
है ही
Yes.
है.
Yes.
बट देन देयर
Yes.
अदर स्टफ लाइक अरे ऑफिस जाने में 3 घंटे लग रहे हैं, दैट वुड बी अ डील ब्रेकर फॉर मी.
Yeah. Yeah.
बिकॉज आई बी लाइक यार 3 घंटा जाना, 3 घंटा आना, 6 घंटे तो ये निकल गए मेरे, 9 घंटे में
नहीं
वहां
नहीं हो
बैठूंगी.
सकता.
तो
नहीं हो सकता.
हाँ तो वो भी थोड़ा सा हो जाता है. ऐसे
वो हो
कई
जाता है.
यू हैव योर ओन सॉर्ट ऑफ पैरामीटर्स जिस पे यू जज एंड यू लाइक
Yes.
ठीक है आई विल पुट अप विद दिस और
Yeah.
आई विल नॉट पुट अप विद दिस. वो आई विल
Yes.
नॉट पुट अप विद दिस वाली जो लिस्ट है ना वो बहुत क्लियर होनी चाहिए लाइफ में. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है तो
हाँ.
उससे थोड़ा सा आपका इजी हो जाता है टू जोन इन एंड टू प्रायोरिटाइज योरसेल्फ कि भाई आई
True.
नो दिस इज व्हाट आई वोंट डू एट वर्क. आई
Yeah.
डोंट एग्री विद
Yeah.
दिस. बाकी जो भी है
Yeah,
वो
I
देख
won't
लेंगे.
put up with. Yeah, like this is what I will not put up with at work. Like,
या
this is like I cannot accept. It's not acceptable to me at
या
work.
या
Yeah,
एंड
yeah.
हैविंग सेड दैट मतलब I think we've been quite lucky. We haven't had to face any horrible things. People have had to
Yes.
at
Yes.
workplaces.
Yes.
We know,
Yeah.
people face
Yeah.
all kinds of really horrible stuff. Like the police gets involved and courts get
Yeah.
involved and don't know what not.
Yeah.
It's really really
Yeah.
bad. But
Yes.
then we've been lucky that way कि हमारा worst case scenario ये है यार. बॉस बड़ा तंग करती है मतलब
Yeah.
रात को आठ
Yeah.
बजे फोन करती है. लाइक ठीक है यार वो
uh,
compared to like 1,000 people,
yeah.
it is still
Yeah.
bearable,
Bearable. True. I agree. I agree.
you
But
know.
tell me, yes, I agree. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, that's crazy stuff that happens at work. Yeah, no, I agree.
Yeah,
And I always say that, just I think at the end of the day, you should be grateful for, grateful that you have a job. Of course, you shouldn't put up with. bad stuff. But at
Hmm.
the end of the day, just be grateful that you have a job. There are so many people in this world who are struggling to get that employment and that job. So I think I
Yes,
always say that be grateful that you have
100%.
a job and you're be able to put food on the table and you're able to get money in your bank account at the end
Yeah.
of the month.
Especially in these times.
In these times, absolutely. But
क्योंकि मार्केट बहुत
yeah,
खराब चल रही है यार. जॉब्स है
yeah,
ही नहीं.
yeah,
जॉब्स
yeah.
है तो पैसे नहीं है.
True, true, true. No, I
Hmm.
agree. But tell me, you've also been traveling, and how has your traveling been? Like, do you find any difference, from your last visit and, now that you're
So,
traveling?
traveling
Yeah,
में, I will tell you one very heartwarming thing that I've seen. Okay,
yeah,
that I noticed all through. It's summers right now,
yeah,
and सब लोग, तुमने देखा होगा तुम्हारे अड़ोस पड़ोस में सब जगह लोग ना ऐसे बाहर मटके रख देते हैं पानी के, या ऐसे
yeah.
ट्रे जैसी होती है जो जिसमें चिड़िया के लिए रखते हैं पानी,
Right,
वो रख
right.
देते हैं. And I can't tell you, Cece, the number of those that I've seen around the city. It is so
Oh,
heartwarming to see.
very so
And
nice.
the best was this morning. This
Yeah,
morning we were driving past some locality.
yeah,
वहां पे ना एक लेडी आई.
yeah.
एक बड़ा सा वो पुराना टब लग रहा था, उनके बच्चे का पुराना टब होगा, ठीक है, नहाने
Oh,
वाला. शी केम and she cleaned it and she filled fresh water in that tub. As soon as she did
oh,
that, there were two stray dogs जो कि आए उनके पास, and वो इतना डरी,
oh.
वो पीछे हट गई, but she still filled that. मतलब ये है
Oh,
कि ठीक है, आई एम स्कैर्ड ऑफ देम,
yeah.
बट भाई गर्मी तो सभी को लग रही है, तो
लग रही
पानी
है,
डालने में क्या
exactly.
है, right? So
हाँ,
she's
हाँ.
really really scared, but she's done that bit where she's like, okay, I will at least fill water for them.
For
ऐसे
them,
करके, which
yeah,
was
yeah.
so sweet to see.
Which is very sweet, yeah, which
Yeah,
is
so
very
this is
sweet.
so enduring, and I was thinking कि मैं मटका कहीं लगा दूंगी
Yeah,
पानी का, ऐसे करके.
yeah.
तो आई वाज आस्किंग आसपास की, यहाँ लगा दें, उन्होंने कहा वहां तो पड़ा है, वहां एक रख
हाँ,
दे, वहां तो पड़ा है, वहां एक रख दे, वहां तो पड़ा है. Like everybody's got everybody covered, sort of. Like great.
yeah.
It was That is one of the sweetest things I've seen in this trip, especially that
Oh,
lady with her बच्चे का पुराना tub being scared of the dogs but still giving them water to drink. It was the cutest thing, which is what
oh,
I would
that is,
also do.
yeah,
मतलब
I
कोई
know.
मेरे को बोले कि यहाँ पे ना, like I'm very scared of snakes, यहाँ पे 4 सांप रहते हैं,
हाँ,
इनको खाना पीना दे दो, तो मैं दे दूंगी, डर डर के दूंगी, पर मैं दूंगी कि भाई मैं डरती हूँ इसको, ये थोड़ी मार डालेंगे.
हाँ.
डर के दूंगी, 4
हाँ,
लाइट ऑन करके कि कहीं दिख ना जाए मेरे को,
दिख ना जाए, हाँ.
दे मैं जरूर दूंगी. So which was really nice.
Yeah,
So that's
yeah,
what's
yeah.
happening. What have you been reading?
So I finished Emily Henry. I was reading Book Lovers. This is one of the books that she's written,
Hmm.
and actually, it is so Emily Henry. Generally, if anybody who's read Emily Henry or has read her books,
Hmm.
she's writes in a very light. Like her books are very light. Like they're
Yeah.
mostly like they're in the rom-com genre, and it will be mostly like a very it's a very light story, but at the same time, the characters are very complex. It will not be like a very floozy story where somebody is just
Yeah.
doing something and
Yeah.
like there is no like कहते हैं ना सर पैर नहीं है कुछ वैसा नहीं होता है अब वो
Hmm.
लाइट रहेगा रोम कॉम ही
And the
रहेगा
characters have
but
layers.
yes, characters have layers and characters are complex, which is very nice, which I like about her books. But I think and I can say that now because I have read a few books of Emily Henry's. I think one criticism that I will have with her is that I think sometimes, like and I say this even for books or even for like, when you're watching a show and all, you
Yeah.
need to keep giving a little bit of like high points in between. Because with
अच्छा.
her, what happens is कि आप जब पढ़ रहे होते हो ना तो जैसे नहीं होता एकदम एक फ्लैट चल रहा होता है like the pitch.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So I think in a book or in any content you need to give like a beach like बीच में थोड़ा सा high point take and then maybe like take. So I think sometimes the tone of her writing can become very flat at times. Like I
Hmm.
don't know if you're able to understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, I can understand what you're saying. I can totally
Yeah.
understand. It's like one of those movies जो कि हाँ अच्छी है, पर उसमें
हाँ
कुछ ना बहुत बुरा हो रहा है ना बहुत एक्साइटिंग हो रहा है, बस वो एक
हाँ हाँ.
लेवल उस पे चली जा रही है.
Yes. Okay. So yes, so this is what I sometimes just feel that the pitch of it gets a little like monotonous. Not even monotonous. I don't think monotonous is the right word. I think it's just like a very flat pitch, at times. Like there is no
Hmm.
like there is no high point that comes in between. So,
Hmm.
which I think is, I think, one criticism that I have. But otherwise, the books are like good. But I've also read authors who write rom-coms, but it's like there's lots happening. Like, you
Hmm.
can unravel, and there's lots happening, which is again a light read, and but there's like the pitch is not very flat.
Hmm.
So I think, yeah, but yeah, so I think this is one criticism, but I still enjoy reading Emily Henry books because I honestly feel, and I think this is happening with me of late, that with so much of like, I think there's just so much of chaos in the world that when you're reading or when you're watching some content, you want to like, like just like read something light and nice.
Agree. Agree
Yeah.
wholeheartedly.
So yes, that's there. So this is I finished the Emily Henry book. I finished watching Pursuit of Jade,
कैसा
and
रहा?
I loved it. I loved
I
it. I
like the
think
ending also, yeah.
I
I think
liked
it
the
was a very
ending.
clean ending.
Yes, it was a very clean ending. Closed, imagine closed. They
They
closed
closed.
they closed all the loops, like whatever side characters, their stories. I think they didn't leave anything open-ended.
Yeah.
And I also liked okay, spoiler alert, guys, anybody who has not seen it, spoiler alert. I also liked the alternate ending that they showed, that like even if like these people, both the lead characters, would have like met each other like bachpan mein or had met each other earlier, they were still they were
Meant to
fated
be
to,
together.
yeah, they were destined to be together, like
Hmm.
and they would have still ended up meeting and like falling in love with each other, which I thought was kind of cute.
Yeah.
um but yes, I think I really like the show. I think the characters were very, again, layered, but also it was not very overtly complicated. Of
Yes.
course, I just had a little bit of issue in keeping, with the different the
Clans.
clans. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah,
even I got confused in between. So I had to
yeah,
stop, pause,
yeah,
rewind,
yeah,
pause,
yeah.
rewind, forward. And at one point I gave up. I just understood that सब लड़ रहे हैं
Yes,
तो कुछ लड़ाई चल रही है आपस में clans में and
yes.
everybody's trying to be the king or get closer to the king and there's a kingmaker. तो मैं ऐसे
Yeah.
summary सा समझ के then I kept moving.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, so this you understand that they're all trying to be a kingmaker. They're all trying to like, appoint a king of their choice. This so you
Yeah,
understand. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah.
What you're watching. And it's all about that. But in all of this, I really liked the Marcus's character.
Yeah.
Because I think it was so refreshing to see a male lead who was he had no insecurity. He was so secure in his own place. Like,
Yes.
and also these small gestures, like for example making the weapons for the
Hmm.
female lead.
Hmm.
I thought that was like it's such a basic thing, but I thought that was so nice.
It was very
Like,
cute.
yeah, yeah. And also, like just standing with her a lot of times, and
Yeah.
there were so many instances where they could have had like a ego tussle or
Yeah.
ego issue, but he just handled it all so well. Like he was such a green flag.
Yes. Green
The
flag
male
character.
lead.
True.
Yes, yes,
That's the
such a
word for
green
it.
flag carrot. Yeah, yeah. So I think I loved the chemistry. I think both the leads had excellent chemistry.
Hmm.
I think it was very, so yeah, I think overall I loved the side characters as well. The villain and the other second lead. I think their story was also very interesting.
Hmm.
And he's shown to be a psychotic character, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So I think what
एक्टिंग
the
उसने भी
end that
अच्छी
he
करी है.
acting
मतलब
अच्छी
उसको
है,
देख
acting
के
सब
ऐसे
अच्छी है.
इरिटेशन होती है कि भाई ये
हाँ.
क्यों ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है ये? क्या
He
प्रॉब्लम है
tends
इसको?
you when you see him, you will get shivers down your spine, like
Yeah.
this,
And even the other one, the younger guy, उसका जो
the
छोटा
younger
भाई
guy.
दिखाया है,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
उसको भी देख के ऐसा लगता है कि भाई ये भटक
yeah.
क्यों गया है
हाँ,
बच्चा?
हाँ, हाँ,
You
yeah,
know, थोड़ा
yeah.
सा. So they
भटक
acted
क्यों
really
गया?
well.
Yeah, I felt bad for the king also, the one who was the king and then who loses his sanity towards the end, because I think, and that's what I think they've tried to show, that that's what power, that lust for power does, right? When you are not competent enough,
Hmm.
to be at that position, but the lust for power makes you stay there, and then you end up losing it in the end. I thought it was very metaphorical,
It was
what they
very
showed.
complex what they showed because one
Yeah,
was lust for power, but they also showed that one scene where he broke down in front of
yeah,
his sister. कि ये
yeah,
कितना
yeah,
मुश्किल है तुम्हें आइडिया नहीं है कभी कोई कुछ
yeah,
बोलता है कभी कोई कुछ बोलता है सो इट्स
yeah,
पॉसिबल कि उसमें he had to take that place because there was no
yeah,
one else from the clan he was appointed and then
Yes.
देन पॉलिटिक्स हो
But he
जाता है
never
तो मतलब
politics,
स्ट्रेस
but he
बहुत है.
never wanted to be. Yeah,
या
it was complicated. Like I think he
हाँ.
also didn't want to be there, but he also wanted it, because of that
Yes,
power.
I
Yeah,
feel like he didn't
yeah,
want to be there. Once he was there, he wanted to
yeah,
retain it because people told him,
yeah.
"You are the king. This is what kings do.
Yes,
Kings try to retain their throne for as long as they can."
yes.
मतलब मेरे को ऐसे मतलब वो काफी नुआंस कैरेक्टर था उसमें काफी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी थी उस कैरेक्टर में एंड थोड़ा सैड कैरेक्टर था वो
Yeah,
अकॉर्डिंग टू
yeah,
मी थोड़ा सा
yeah.
वीक कैरेक्टर था वो बिकॉज
Right.
वो किंग था तो उसको इन्फ्लुएंस कर देते थे लोग कि तू
Yeah,
ऐसा
yeah,
डिसीजन ले तू
yeah,
वैसा डिसीजन ले दे ऑल्सो शोड हिम मच यंगर देन हिज मिनिस्टर्स एंड
yeah.
ऑल राइट तो वो
Right.
आउट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट भी वो उनकी बात मान रहा एज का
बात
भी
मान रही
रिस्पेक्ट एक्सपीरियंस
Yes,
का भी रिस्पेक्ट एंड
yes,
वो दूसरा तो
yes,
दिखाया ही है हु इज द सॉर्ट ऑफ ही वाज अ पपेट किंग ऑफ सॉर्ट्स राइट वो जो
yes.
जो उसका वो क्लैन का जो हेड था
प्लान का
तो
हेड
वो तो
था.
उसको कंट्रोल कर ही रहा था
Yes,
राइट पेरेंट्स उसके
yes.
थे नहीं किंग क्वीन जो सिस्टर थी वो दूर रहती थी उसका अपना
Yes.
चल रहा है स्टोरी तो बेचारा
अपना ही
थोड़ा
अलग स्टोरी. सिस्टर का अलग ही स्टोरी चल रहा था.
थोड़ा थोड़ा सा बेचारा लोनली भी था मेरे को लगता है
लोनली
किंग
भी
होते
था.
ही लोनली है थोड़ा ज्यादा ही थोड़ा बेचारा लोनली हो गया
Yes,
थोड़ा
yes.
सैड था बेचारा
Yeah, yeah. But no, yeah, I think I like. So that's what I'm saying. Like even the side characters, their stories was so interesting.
Yeah.
If the king's sister and the main male lead's best friend, their story also was
the he
interesting.
was the
Yeah,
strategist or something
strategist.
yeah war
Yeah, yeah,
strategy वाला
yes, yes, strategist. Yes, yes.
अच्छा
I
था
think
वो
their
भी
story was also. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Their story also. I think they also sort of hinted at the fact that the female lead sister might end up becoming the future queen because she might
या
end up marrying the king, in
या
the
या
future.
उसने प्रॉमिस कर दिया उसको
Yes,
धरती
yes.
जमीन आसमां सब तुम्हारा ऐसा बोल दिया उसको
Yes, yes. I think they also hinted at that. But yes, I think overall, very good show. And I think my perception of Chinese dramas really changed after this.
oh
But
yes
after watching this show, but I think it was very, very interesting. I really liked it. So yeah, this was there. I think I finished Pursuit of Jade. काफी time हो गया खत्म किए हुए, but I finished that. I also finished another Korean drama which I was watching, which I think I had spoken about earlier as well,
spring
which was Spring
fever
Fever. Yes,
hmm.
Spring Fever. I finished that also. 12 episodes. Again, a very nice, light watch.
Hmm.
Of course, if somebody is looking for something, very light to watch, you don't want to like put a lot of brains, then you can watch it. Of course, some like so it's a little comic, right? So some stuff which is comic can feel a little silly to some,
Hmm.
but honestly, I didn't mind it that much because I just thought that it was overall just a very light show. Like
Okay.
you don't have to take it very seriously. Like it's a show that doesn't take itself very seriously.
I will add it to the list.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I thought it was a nice watch. So yes, this is what I've seen,
Hmm.
and now I've started another book now.
Which
Let's see
one?
how that. I have started reading this book called The Spanish Deception, which is The Spanish Love Deception by Elena Armas.
Okay. What's
Yeah,
it
yeah.
about? What kind of story is it?
So just started it, but I think it's again a rom-com.
Okay.
And there is this. It's about this girl who has to go for her sister's wedding, and she needs a date to go there.
Hmm.
And she needs to find somebody who can be her date and go travel with her to Spain.
Sounds like a
To
Netflix
go.
plot.
Yes, yes, yes. That's why I picked it up because it sounded like a Netflix plot.
Hmm.
So I'm reading it. I've started reading it, and I will share my feedback on it once I finish reading it.
Hmm. Nice.
So yes, this is what's been happening at my end.
Interesting. मेरा जो ट्रैवल एंड वर्क एंड होम का वर्क चल
Yes,
रहा है
yes,
बाकी तो बीच में शॉपिंग भी आ जाती है
of course.
हाँ जो कि बहुत ही
No,
इंटरेस्टिंग है यू गो टू द
yes,
मार्केट ऐसा लगता है यार ये भी ले लो वो भी ले लो वो भी ले लो एंड इट्स जस्ट there's just so much to buy
yeah,
like a lot of
true,
self control but oh
true,
yeah I think
true.
I'm doing well in terms of self control this time if I may say so myself
Yeah,
because मैंने ना सोच लिया है कि बहुत कपड़े हैं
right,
कपड़े बहुत हैं
right.
अभी ना थोड़े थोड़े लिए जाएंगे जो कि बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छे लग जाए वो लिए जाएंगे
Yes,
ऐसे कोई नहीं लिए जाएंगे जो कि ना थोड़े बहुत आपको ठीक लग रहे हैं तो ले लिए नो
yes,
you
yes.
have to like them a lot and then you buy them तो
Fine, yeah.
उसमें काफी कुछ एलिमिनेट हो जा रहा है क्योंकि
Yes, but I think that's very good. That's also sustainable living, and I think all of us should follow that.
या
I think it's very good. But yes, I think So yes, it's been an interesting last few days for us. BB has been traveling and doing different things, trying out different stuff. I have been watching a lot of content, and I will continue to watch more content, more read books, and keep sharing feedback and and whatever I keep hearing. And BB will also share her travel experiences and all just different experiences that she's having in her travel right now,
Hmm.
and we'll come back with another episode shortly.
Very
But yes,
soon.
very soon. But yes, if you want us to watch anything or read anything or just talk about anything, feel free to drop by in the comments and share your feedback with us.
Mm-hmm.
And also, before signing off, also be kind. Be kind to each other. It's also the summers now, so just in general, be kind to people around you.
And the
Uh,
animals.
yes, and the animals. Yes,
God
be
knows
kind to.
people in the city already are, but
Yes,
still, we can have
yes.
some more kindness.
We can have more kindness. Yes, absolutely.
Hmm.
And with that, we are signing off now. Have a great day, everybody.
Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.